So welcome to Margarita Pop-Up Show, all happening at Bohemian Gallery.
बोलने वाली थी तो मुझे क्यों बुलाया है?
अच्छा सॉरी, आप बोलो.
Brands from Mumbai, Rajkot, Surat, Baroda, everywhere. Come shop. आ जाओ जल्दी जल्दी आना है.
Yes. So 2 दिन का शो है. Complete summer collection. We also have men's wear.
फिर अकेला बोलेगी.
Sorry.
मेंस वेयर तो मेरे को कुछ तो दे दो हम
अरे
आदमियों को लौंडों को कुछ तो बोलने दो. So they have menswear collection as well. Different colors, vibrant colors, good for summers. मैंने पहना है, देख सकते हो. लेकिन लेना है तो आना पड़ेगा. अब बोलो जो बोलना है.
Swipe left to check out the collection.
Hi, myself Sakshi. I'm the founder of Organicu, a brand into organic sustainability. So when we talk about the brand, it's totally comfort wear. We have a lot of range into summer. So we have different styles. Something what I'm wearing is a perfect fit to your summer dress, but it has a stylish pocket as well. And then we have got couple of like latkan dress which got really hit last time. And also we have got some few options of our free size designer outfit of shirts. Then we have cord sets, like 3, 1 by 1. And then we have few range of our embroidery Indo-Western style of Western wear. So this can be a perfect fit to your day-to-day life as well. And one of this is of like a cord set.
Some beautiful Lucknowi collection. This is Rehmat by Reshma. Look at the first one.
These are the anarkalis.
Anarkalis.
Pure mulchanderi fabrics with dupattas. Can be customized in the colors that you want.
Okay.
These are also on the pure mul short anarkalis with the pants.
Hello.
Hi.
Your brand name?
Katan Kids.
Yes. So we have kids wear here.
Yeah, from age 6 months to 6 years. And we have got options for both boys and girls. Some summer cords and dresses.
Okay. Check shirts.
हाय सो आज हमारे पास में ये 2 नई डिज़ाइंस हैं जिसमें हमने 2 अलग अलग कॉपर एंड ग्रास मटेरियल यूज़ करके डिज़ाइंस बनाए हैं. इस टाइप में कुछ चंकी चाहिए तो भी है, कुछ एथनिक डिज़ाइंस भी है. और ये सारी डिज़ाइंस आप देखोगे तो हैंडमेड है. और सारी डिज़ाइंस है ना सी से इंस्पायर्ड है, सारे सी क्रीचर्स है. ऐसा कुछ किसी को हसली में चाहिए तो भी चंकी लुक देगा. ये सारे जो डिज़ाइन है उनमें आपको कलर कॉम्बिनेशन के कस्टमाइजेशन भी हो जाएगा. जैसे ये सी हॉर्स है, उसमें हमने लाइट एंड डार्क दोनों.
Hi. So my name is Pranalisa. I have 100% pure linen collection. My brand name is Pratha House of Linen. So all stuffs are made out of 100% sustainable pure linen. I have a customization option as well. I'm wearing embroidered shorts with no harmful sleeve shirt. I have an option in embroidered shorts, like something like summery sunflower, which is in trendy right now. You can go with the shirts or like oversized tops like this or neon colors thing. I have summer spaghetti cute little dresses as well. I have men's collection and ethnic collection as well. Men's collection something like embroidered kurta, embroidered boho type shirts and everything.
So this is a jewelry brand from Rajkot called Aurika, and they have some very unique designs. These are some rings. These are also some pretty hoops that you can wear. Personally, I love these. These are so cute. This is Label Kosh. Hello.
Hello, hi. So we have this cute printed shirts. These are all hand embroidered. We have this linen shirt. We have this cardwork shirt which has
Beautiful.
details. We have dresses.
These are the dresses.
We have this patchwork dress.
Cute.
We have also this summer dress.
Hello.
Hi, so we've got some really fun, interesting summer dresses for you. Very nice, very do not like vibe. So come check us out at the Bohemian Gallery. Beautiful.
Hello.
Hi,
This is brand.
my name is Paranshi Pathak and the brand name is Paranshi Pathak Designs. We have dresses. We have cord sets. We have shirts.
Nice. Very pretty.
We have kaftans,
Okay.
kurta sets,
Okay.
and everyday workwear cord sets also.
Yes. This is brand.
Mira.
Yes. Let's go.
So we have these embroidered dresses, and this can be customized in any other color. We have these shirts. We have long print shirts.
Very pretty.
We have these cord sets in crush.
Oh, cute.
We have these kaftans.
Kaftan style, yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
This is brand Pure Soul. Let's check out the new collection. These are all solid dresses. We have color options in that. Very pretty. Then we have sleeveless ones. ये भी solid है, but इनका pockets में detailing के साथ है. This is color block dresses. Then we have something like what she's wearing, marble art. Then we have stripes. Okay.
Cord sets.
And quad sets.
Two colors.
This brand is from Bombay. Look at their collection. The brand name is Mojo Estelo, and they have pearl tops. Look at that, spaghetti cute. Something like what she is wearing is also available, and she has options in the shirts. And then we have shirts option. These are all mull cotton.
Yep, by cotton.
Yes. Pretty. Look at these. This is Weave Story. Yes.
We have two-piece dresses, something like this.
Okay.
We have cords, in which we have done light embroideries.
How are these priced?
These are all between 4,000 to 4,800.
Okay.
We have few more options in cords
Beautiful.
with embroidery.
Some cute embroidery done on
Yes.
Shirts.
So this is honey. I made this.
Yes.
They have bandhani
Bandi
shirts.
shirts, printed shirts, crush tops, embroidered shirts, chanderi cords,
Shirts, okay.
cords again. Something like this. Something what I am wearing. I have color options. Work.